Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the tangent line. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first the derivative of the function. So we apply about the product rule of the derivative. So I will do first the derivative of s squared multiplied by e to the power of s. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of s multiplied by s squared. Similar for the next one. Now we need to simplify. This one is about 2s. This one is about e to the power of s. This one you got about number 1. This one you got about e to the power of s. This one is about e to the power of s. This one cancel this one. This one cancel this one. Now we just have this one in here. Next we have the value in here. So we put number 1 going here and here. So that should be about e, because this is about 1, this is about 1. Now the next one, that's about the tangent line. So we have the value in here multiplied by s minus 1 plus e, that's it in here. And we know that this one is about e, s minus 1 plus e. So e multiplied by s and number 1. We simplify. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.